Somebody's on the line.
Let's stick with on the line.
Ay!
Don't
Medyo
say
weird.
that.
Medyo...
Alam mo? Safe one. Kasi alam mo yung like sometimes... Yung totoo. Kasi when you're young, you just
mind.
put your age.
Yeah.
18, 16, 15. Pero at a certain age,
You're not comfortable
you really
saying
have to say, yung totoo.
Yeah.
Hindi yung
Yeah.
showbiz age.
Yeah.
So, there you go. The top 10 adult slumbook questions. Go ahead and tweet us. Twitter.com/RX931. Please include hashtag The Morning Rush and hashtag adult slumbook questions in all your tweets. Monster Radio RX 93.1. And we've got somebody perpendicular to the line.
Perpendicular to the line? What?
Yes, tangential to the line, under the line,
Yes.
in the line,
Perpendicular to the line.
Yeah.
around the line.
Yes.
Okay, on the line.
About
On
the
the
line.
Yeah.
On
the line.
Somebody's on the
Let's
line.
stick with on the line, yeah?
I'm always on the line. I hate being on this line. Hello, folks. It's me again.
Hello. Ano
Uh,
ba? Like, okay, admit it. Are you already imagining? Are you already visualizing your future body after you start losing weight?
Because it'd be kind of weird if I said that I'm visualizing your future body.
Ay!
Don't
Medyo
say
weird.
that.
Medyo awkward.
that would, Gino, that would be awkward.
No, alam mo ba ito, what do you call this? Super flattering for you, Delamar. One time, nagda-drive kami ni Gino. Kaming dalawa lang sa car. Tapos nadaan kami dun sa billboard ba? One of your most sensuous billboards.
Oh.
Tapos
Not that we're saying that none of them are, because all of them are
no, the most.
The most.
The most. Sabi ni Gino, tingin siya sa billboard. Tapos sabi niya, alam mo, konti na lang. Magiging awkward na to.
OMG!
It's the ultimate compliment. As in, kakalimutan ko nang magkaibigan kami.
Oh, tinititigan ko yung billboard, sabi ko, this cannot be, This cannot go on.
Hello,
Cannot go on.
si McCoy. Na bad trip siya.
Oo, sabi niya, nagda-drive sa Southwoods at sabi niya, uy,
Sabi niya,
chicks,
uy,
oh.
chicks.
Tapos biglang pagtingin niya, ikaw biglang, ano ba yan?
Ay, si Delamar.
Huwag ganun.
Oo. Kung ano-ano na ginagawa niya in his head. Kasi nga, ang sexy.
Delikado yung alam mo, delikado ka eh.
Oo.
Delicado. No, but I'm really hoping that for other people out there who plan to slim down as well, for whatever reason,
Yeah.
maybe you just want to get back into shape, maybe you were pregnant or whatever else.
Baka gusto mo mangakit ng co-host.
O mga ganun. Or gusto mo whatever, di ba? The slimming down will be a happy one.
And a
Yeah.
safe one. Kasi alam mo
And a
yung like
safe
sometimes
one.
there are like mga fad diets
Yep.
or mga fad pills and then maglulose ka nga ng diet tapos maglulose ka nga ng weight pero malalaman mo naman later on parang it was very unhealthy naman
At
pala
the cost
for you,
of
di ba?
one of your organs. Or
Yeah, no,
whatever,
it's true. I mean, sometimes it becomes like akala mo lang it's safe and you're like, wow, ang bilis ng weight loss
Or
pero
your
hindi
teeth.
naman pala safe, di ba?
Your
Or your
teeth.
teeth.
Yeah, it's true.
Hillary Duff lost a tooth.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah,
and
because
you know what?
calcium.
For some people, for some people, they need to choose. They need to choose, how to lose the weight. Will it be a healthy one or, sorry, my kids are making my life miserable at the moment.
Wonderful.
Sorry, can you hear somebody here
Yes.
protesting?
Yeah. I can hear.
Anyway, they are the result of all this fat that I have.
No, but it's